The Volcano Trail, known in Spanish as Ruta de los Volcanes, is part of the famous GR131 route, a trail that seeks to connect all the Canary Islands. The part that we are interested in starts at the Refugio El Pilar and goes all the way down to Los Canarios in the south, an almost 18 kilometers stretch taking you through some of the best views on the island. This hike is definitely not to be missed, even if you can't make it all the way to Los Canarios. We decided to make a 15-kilometer loop around the highest volcano on this trail, the Deseada volcano, but you can also do many smaller parts depending on your skills and available time.